So today I am finally using my new camera. I got a Nikon D3400 and I'm sure you can tell there's a major difference in the quality of this video, so I am super excited for that. So let's get the video started. So this was actually suggested by a friend of mine to do a video on all the ways that I use things on the internet and mostly my phone to make money. So when I had my own business, I actually was like, okay, I need to find other ways that I can make money other than this, just to have money coming in from other different places. So some of these you can get money and get paid right away. Others, it would take a while for it to accumulate and then you can cash out. But I've been using these for years now and they are really great. So I will have a link in the description of this video in as many of these as I possibly can. I believe there should be links. A lot of this is apps from your phone, so you would want to click the link from your phone, or maybe go on Facebook Messenger and message it to yourself so then you can access it to your phone and then sign up there, because you'll need to download the apps to your phone. So the first one is Swagbucks. So I haven't utilized everything that you can use Swagbucks for. There's a lot of surveys on there. There's videos that you can watch. So I think there's two different apps for Swagbucks. There's one where you're watching the videos on your phone. So what I used to do at one of my previous jobs, and there I said so I'm going to try to be conscious of that and not say that. So I'm trying to improve, people. So anyway, there's one, and you don't even really have to watch them actually. I would just let it go and have the sound completely off, and then you make like 2 Swagbucks per, I don't know, 5 videos that play. And usually it was like YouTube video trailers for movies that were upcoming. So because I had never watched TV, that was actually somewhat interesting when I did watch it, or at least I would see the titles of it, so then I kind of knew what movies were coming out, because other than that I really had no idea. So that was good to know. And then the way that I use Swagbucks all the time is I do online purchase and then pick up in the store for like Target, Best Buy. That's actually how I bought this camera. So I went online through Swagbucks, and I think you earn like 2 Swagbucks per dollar spent or something at Best Buy. It's different for every store, and they've got a lot of different stores that you can choose from for that. And it also works with eBay. So any of my eBay purchases, I always go through my Swagbucks so that I earn. It's basically like earning cash back. Plus I have a credit card that I earn cash back on, so I'm earning cash back through both things. So I do that with Walmart, Target, done it with Best Buy. For pickup in the store, there really isn't any other stores that I know of that have online the pickup or whatever. And you can cash that out you can cash it out straight to your PayPal, or you can there's a variety of different gift cards, so it's pretty awesome. Then there's Slidejoy, which is just a lock screen that is on your phone, so hopefully this will show. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my phone, and simply all I have to do, sometimes there's ads on here, I'm not really sure why there isn't right now, but hopefully this is focusing. I'm not really sure, maybe it wants you to hit play. But so if you swipe this way, you don't have to watch whatever the ad is, or if you swiped that way, then you could read whatever the article was or whatever. So you just have that on your phone. It really doesn't take up a lot of space. I don't see that it's killing the battery of my phone or anything like that. And that's all you do. That's it. You download it on your phone and that's it. And now that I posted something on my Instagram, so I've been getting a lot of referrals, so I'm making a lot more of the carrots. It says carrots on the app. So right now I have 6,966, and I'm going to wait till I get to, let's see, I think it's 10,000. Yes, I'm going to wait till I get to 10,000 and I'm going to cash out to my PayPal for $10. So typically I get 20 bucks a year from this app. But hey, it's free money and all I have to do is swipe right. So I feel like that's pretty easy. The next one we will go is Field Agent. And Field Agent is an app on your phone that you can do little secret shopper jobs. So sometimes it is stuff where I've tested a product, so I actually got a free toaster oven for this, plus I got paid for testing it and giving them my opinion. Right now I'm looking at this, and in my area there's Walmart customer service jobs. So it's basically, I've done those before, and pretty much you just go to Walmart, you have the app open on your phone, and it's going to ask you questions. If this is the one I think it is, it's like asking you, well actually, you know what, as a secret shopper I can't tell you what it is, so that has to remain secret. So then there's one for Walmart in-store pickup survey non-grocery. So basically that's, I guess, wanting you to go online, order stuff to pick up in the store, and you could get paid $5 for doing that. And you probably have to take a picture of your receipt and answer questions or whatever, maybe take a picture of the product that you do, all within the app. Then there's some for Target. The scavenger hunt ones, I really haven't done those a lot, which is probably why they pay so much. I was never successful with those. I never found what it was. It's like it wants you to go to a store and find a specific UPC code and count how many of that item, and I did a couple of those and it just didn't work, so I gave up. So the next one I've got is Smart Panel. Let's see, Smart Panel. Or actually, I meant to say Panel App. Okay, so this one, basically, I have referred people, but mostly I get points, and I think I've cashed out twice on this already, so I've got $50 from this app so far, possibly $75, not really sure, but I've cashed out $25 at a time and got a $25 Visa gift card, or maybe it went to my PayPal. I don't know. I use so many of these apps, it's hard for me to remember. But so you can refer people and you can get points from that. But basically, this is really simple. So this is what the screen looks like right now, and it's right now it says there's a survey available. And that survey is basically going to ask me, like, did you go to Target on Thursday at 5:57 p.m. and it'll show like a little map, like where were you, and then you just choose where you were. And I really could care less if this app knows where I am. I go to work, I go home, sometimes I go to the store. Who cares? I don't know what they're going to do with this data. If this app wants to stalk me and pay me money, that's fine with me. That's how I feel about that. So let's see, another one that I just recently did is called Job Spotter, and this was perfect around the holidays, but still I go to the Mall of America a lot, and so let's see if I can show you. Okay, it's automatically making me want to. So this one cashes out to an Amazon gift card, and right now it looks like I've got $2.50, and I don't know, I don't think you have to have a certain amount to cash out. I could cash this out right now if I wanted to, but I'm just going to wait for it to add up. But basically, if you're anywhere, you take a picture of a hiring sign, and then you have to take a picture of the storefront so that I don't know where this information is going. So that's how you earn points, and then that turns into Amazon money. So that's super easy. So you have your phone with you pretty much everywhere you go. If you happen to go to the gas station and there's a sign that says now hiring, quick, take a picture of it through this app. Then, you know, as you're walking back to your car or something, you take a picture of the front of it, or any store. So it's super easy way of making money, and really doesn't take a lot of your time, and you can do it anywhere pretty much. Another one that I've got is this Smart app, and honestly it's just something you download on your phone. I don't know what it's tracking, I have no idea, and so you activate this on your phone and you activate this on a computer, and I think You can activate it on like a laptop too. So like if you have a PC, you can do it on like 3 different devices or something. I'm not really sure. And so with this, as long as you stay active and it is, let's see, I got this information so that I can make this explainable. So within your first month, you earn $5. Then the second month you get it, like, so how is that possible? Okay, so you get $5 for signing up, then you earn $5 as long as you stay activated for that whole time on all of the things that you have activated. So you get $10 in your first month. So right now I have $10. Then in your third month, it'll add up to $25. So basically every month it accumulates more money. So at the 6-month mark, you get $10, and I guess you start earning $10 every month after you've done it for 6 months. Then it's $15, then it's $15, and so the first year you make $110. After 2 years, the total amount of money you make is $230. So I guess then you just stay accumulating $15 a month every month after that. So anyway, then the next one I've got, let's see, I did Job Spotter already. Then there's 2 apps where you can sell stuff from your phone. Super easy. Take a picture with your phone. I'm trying to find the app so that I can show you. So one of them is called 5 Miles. I'm waiting for it to load here. So that's kind of the logo for 5 Miles. And then you can see other people have stuff posted. You can click on it and look at their ad. Better, they're selling whatever this stuff is for $20, and you can search near your house or whatever. Let's see where Let Go is. There it is, Let Go. Okay, so Let Go, and these are free to use. So you open it up and there you go, and then I think on the 5 Mile one you can have it where they can pay with a credit card even, and it goes straight to your account, and then I guess you can put it to your bank account. I haven't done that yet, but I know that's an option now. Then there's Inbox Dollars, which they do have an app on your phone too, and it actually had me do a survey that was similar to the panel app thing, where it's asking me where I was, blah blah blah. It just like pops up on my phone and asks me stuff. Right now I'm at $25.25. I just need to make $4.75 more, and then I can cash out, because on this one you have to have at least $30 in order to cash out. And this, they must have changed their stuff because they were probably giving away so much free money. I haven't received an email on this in who knows how long. I used to just do the emails. But they also have videos that you can watch to earn. There's something that says Uber, and you can earn $100. I'm assuming that's if you sign up to become an Uber driver. I haven't looked at what it is, but there's a ton of different stuff. If you go through here, if you're a couponer, there's coupons you can print off their website, and as you use those coupons, because they came from that website, you'll earn money on this too. So it's basically another way of earning money for saving money. That's pretty crazy. Then there's this other one that I have that's called Quick Thoughts. Really haven't used this one very much. I believe you have to have at least $20. This is what it looks like when it first opens. Oh, well, that says logging in. Let's see. Great. Okay. It's asking me if I want to rate it. So I guess right now I have $5.20. And it pops up every now and then. It's like, here, answer this survey for blah, blah, blah. And I just haven't. It really doesn't take that long, but it's just not something I've had the time to do lately. So I haven't done that one, but that's yet another one. So then there's Shopkick. I'm sure everybody's heard of Shopkick. You can just sometimes just walk into stores and then you get Shopkick. Or if you have some time, you can scan a few items and then you'll get extra Shopkicks. And I believe this just makes it where you can have gift cards. I don't know that they have a cashback thing. I'm really not sure. But maybe they do. I really haven't use this enough to know everything that it does, but I just know it is a way to make money with your phone, and it's super easy and it's not hard. The other one that I have that I do a lot, which I'm pretty close to finishing, is I have, oh, did I write it down? No, Receipt Hog. Okay, so Receipt Hog, all you have to do is just take a picture of your receipts. And so I've got 5,520 of these coins. And so you take pictures of your receipts. So I've got some receipts right here, and I'm just going to take a picture of them. So you just take a picture of them, and then it has you rate the transaction or something. Literally takes a second. I pretty much just like save up all of my receipts for the week, and then I just do it all at once, and then I recycle the receipts. And then you submit the receipt, you say who went there, you rate the trip. I always put 5 stars. Because why not? So now it's uploading the receipt right now. So I gotta wait. Now it's processing those. Hopefully you can see that screen. And so now I'm just gonna take a picture. I'm focusing it because you want to make sure you got steady hands to do this, or as steady as possible, because you need to make it sure it's clear. So many people don't realize that you need to make sure it's clear. So it does let you see the receipt after you're finished, so you can see that it was clear. Well, that's clear enough. Hopefully this is focusing, because I feel like that's clear enough. You can read what the numbers say there. The second part was not very clear, so I'm going to redo it. That's way clearer. So, and then after this screen pops up, but sometimes it's like a couple of times it's been like a little survey, like, I don't know, did you buy this or whatever? And I'm like, no. So whatever, and then it just goes to that processing screen. And then sometimes based on the receipts, you can get these, and then you can pull the little lever and you can earn more coins from that. So I have not cashed out from this yet, because I figured out that if you wait for the highest one, which, okay, it looks like you can do Amazon, Visa, or PayPal. And I'm just going to have it sent to my PayPal. So right now I could cash out for $25, and that's 4,300 coins. But I'm waiting till I have 6,500 coins, so I have less than 1,000 left to earn, so that I can get $40, because then you get the most for your money. I just did the math, so I've just been waiting a long time, and I'm just going to use that money for my vacation. I'm just going to put that in my savings for my vacation. I just consider this like easy extra money that really isn't taking much of my time. And then the other app that I have is called Checkout 51, and I really haven't used this in a while. I probably should, so that I can actually cash out on it, but it's mostly because I'm vegan and I don't really buy a lot of the stuff that's on here. It's a very similar app than like Ibotta, which I quit using Ibotta basically when I became a vegan, because they really didn't have anything on there that was useful to me. And I started like using all kind of natural products in my home for like cleaning and stuff like that. So I really don't know what I could possibly use off of Ibotta. So this one I really haven't used in a while. Let's see. I have $13 on there, but I think this is another one where you have to have $20 in order to cash out, and I don't know what you can cash out to. Oh, you can request a check when your account balance reaches $20. So I have to get $20 in order to cash out, and I guess they send you a check in the mail. So, and then there's Ibotta. So I don't have Ibotta, so that is all the ways that I have to make money. So hopefully this can help somebody out there who just wants a few little things to make some extra money. So